just received a text.
Go ahead.
I just received a text. Some other people are trying to get in. Some people are still trying to get into the classroom. They said they're still waiting.
What? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I see. Dalu Chinyere, Dalu. Yeah, I was talking and I forgot to admit them into the class. Dalu Chinyere. Okay, and you guys, you saw how Chinyere introduced herself before talking. That's the same thing I want you to do. Before you say something, before you ask a question, introduce yourself in Igbo. And that's the way we can learn, okay? All right, so today, what we have today is to do, first of all, let me share. Okay, I need to block everyone now because I'm getting this noise again. I know some of us are not paying attention to that. So today, I told you we have gender. What we have to do today is gender. And then we have other things to do after we finish gender. So I want you to know when it comes to male, female, what it's called and how to address it. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let me help you see what I'm doing. And then we're going to reserve 10 minutes, 5 minutes for questions and answers. And last week, I said, please, for you to not to forget, before you come to class, make your notes. All the questions that you have to ask me, whether the question is outside what we did for the day, it doesn't matter. Anything you want to know for the class, feel free to ask me a question. Okay, bear with me, everybody. Let me mute everybody because please, the adults in the class, please bear with me. And then the young ones that are in the class, sometimes they forget or maybe they don't know what to do. So please bear with us. But I will control it here. I will try to mute everybody as much as possible. And just bear with us with the noise, but it's gonna be better. Okay, so today, what we're doing is gender. When it comes to what is a man or a woman, a child, a boy, girl, all those things, newborn, those things. So we have here male. Male in general is called nwoke. Nwoke. And then a female is called nwanyị. Nwanyị. A boy is called nwa nwoke. Nwa nwoke. And we put nwa when we get to doing infinitives, auxiliaries, and participles. So I'm going to tell you, but I will just mention it, but we're not going to do that. When you're putting like the infinitives or participle going with the auxiliary, how you can put hyphen. You put hyphen. I hope, is it big enough? Can everybody see the screen that I'm sharing? Can everybody see it?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
good.
Yes.
Okay, how do you say yes in Igbo? Okay, good, good. So as time goes on, we're going to be limiting, the percentage, how often we speak Igbo and speak English. We're going to increase how we speak the Igbo speaking in this class. I'm speaking more of English because this is a beginner class, and I want you guys to understand what I'm saying before we go switch to using like 15% of Igbo language in this class. So get ready for that, and then go over everything we've been doing, get used to them. And then we're going to be speaking, I'm going to be calling names, and then we'll be more interactive. That way it's going to help you. All right, let me not talk too much. Now, this hyphen, you can say nwa, nwoke, nwa, nwoke. But now I'm going to remove it until we get there. So nwa, nwoke is a boy. A girl is called nwa, nwanyị. Nwa, nwanyị. And don't forget why we put nwanyị there. We put nwanyị We put nwanyị there because it is the gender. You have to know that a male is nwoke, female is nwanyị, nwanyị. Now, a boy, when you say a small boy now, a boy, you're trying to say, when you say a boy and a man, that's what we're doing. Nwa nwoke is a boy. Nwa nwanyị is a girl. Now, little boy or little girl is nwatakịrị, nwatakịrị. Now, we are not saying the gender, okay? We are not saying male, female here. But when you say little, little alone means nwata. That's it. Little means obere, something small, small. It's obere, obere means small, okay? Now, let me just put it here. That way, don't get confused. Okay, small, small or little means obere. It means obere, obere, or ntakịrị, ntakịrị. So obere or ntakịrị, something that is small or little is obere, obere, or means marble. We're gonna do those things when we get to vocabularies. We have a lot to do. Obere, ntakịrị, these two words are the same, okay? Now, little boy, you can say nwa. Remember, boy is nwa nwoke. Now, little boy, nwatakịrị nwoke is a little boy, okay? It's a little boy. Nwatakịrị or obere nwa. Now, let me just remove boy, girl thing. Nwatakịrị or obere nwa. Obere nwa nwoke. So little boy, then I will do little girl. So little boy is nwatakịrị or obere nwa nwoke. Now let's do little girl. Little girl is called, oh, come on. Nwatakịrị or obere nwa nwanyị. Obere nwa nwanyị. I know I was supposed to put a Quizlet for you, but I was so busy this week. I had some report to turn in, and I'm a student as well. So I'm in my graduate program that I have a lot to do. I couldn't do the Quizlet. I will get it done this week and then look out for it, and I will post the link. So everything we did last week and this week, I will do the Quizlet and send to you. It's going to help. All right. Nwatakịrị nwanyị, nwanyị, nwanyị. Okay. Now moving on. Teenage boy. A teenage boy is called nwa okorobịa. Nwa okorobịa or okorobịa or nwa okoro. These are ways to say them. They are all the same thing. They all mean the same thing. You can even say nwa okorobịa na-aga n'ụzọ. Nwa okorobịa means a teenage boy is walking on the road. Nwa okorobịa is a teenage boy. You can call a teenage boy nwa okorobịa. Now let me put the hyphen. That way you can help you pronounce it. Nwa okorobịa. If you want to do it in syllables, okorobịa. Let's do it in syllables here. Okoro, then bia. Okay, if you break it in syllables, or you can just put hyphen in between. But okorobia, nwa okorobia, you can also say okorobia. It's also teenage boy. Onwa okoro, these are ways to say them. Now, teenage girl is nwa. Don't forget the N. Don't say nwa. Nwa, 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 obogo. Okay? So a teenage girl is called nwa agbọghọ bia. Nwa agbọghọ bia. Or agbọghọbia. Or agbọghọ. Now, there should be a dot. Let me, I need to insert the dot. You can take your note, but I will also post this note. Just make your note. Any way is going to help you. It's okay to take a note during class, but I need you to listen more to the pronunciations. Okay, so let me add there. And you guys are doing well today. At least I'm not hearing too much noise. Wonderful. I'm proud of everyone. Nwa agbo. See, so I'm dotting it, but I will fix everything and send to you. I don't want it to delay us in the class. So, nwa agbọghọ bia. Or agbọghọ bia. Agbọghọ. All right, I need you all to know what we are pronouncing. Somebody is talking. You want to ask a question? If you want to ask a question, it's okay. I will let you ask a question. But you have to introduce your name.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Okay, yeah, I guess nobody has a question. All right, so agbọghọ bia. I will dot everything and post before I post them. I post the notes. Now, married man. A married man. Nwoke lụrụ nwanyị. Some will say nwoke ji nwanyị. A married man is nwoke lụrụ nwanyị or nwoke ji nwanyị. A man that has a wife. A man that has a wife, that's what it means. Nwoke lụrụ nwanyị, nwoke ji nwanyị, okay? But then, now let me say, married woman is nwanyị lụrụ di. Or you can say nwanyị ji di. Nwanyị ji di. You see that? So di means, okay, I think I have to put it for you here so that you know, before the marriage, you know. Di means husband. Di means husband. Now, nwunye, that way you know what I'm saying. Nwunye means wife. Di, husband. Nwunye, wife. Nwunye. If you watch my mouth and see how I move it, so you make the noise with your palate and your inner throat. Your palate and your inner throat. Nye means wife. Di means husband. Now, married man, nwoke lụrụ nwanyị or nwoke ji nwanyị. Okay? Married woman, nwanyị lụrụ di or nwanyị ji di. A woman that has a wife, has a husband. A man that has a wife. That's this, the explanation. Now, a widow. Nwanyị di ya nwụrụ anwụ. Nwụrụ anwụ. Now, let me just put here, this just by the side. There's supposed to be dot. Means death. They're supposed to come under vocabulary, but I just want to bring it in so that you don't get confused when I introduce something. Means death. Is dead. Okay. So when I say nwụrụ anwụ, something that died. Nwụrụ anwụ is something that died. Nwụrụ anwụ, something that is, okay. Something died, okay? When you want to say, okay, the bird died. The bird died. Bird means, no, we're gonna do that. We have to do animals and so on, but we're not gonna do that now. Bird means, no, nwụrụ anwụ. You're saying, okay, a bird that died, okay? That's what it is. I just wanna give you a keyword before we continue. Okay. Widow is nwanyị di ya nwụrụ anwụ. A widower, nwoke nwunye ya nwụrụ anwụ. Widow, a man that his wife, a woman that her husband died. A widower, a man that his wife died. It means nwoke nwunye ya nwụrụ anwụ. Nwụrụ anwụ. Now, a mother is nne. Your mother is called nne. Or some dialects, they say mama. Or in general, a mother means onye nne. Okay. Now, a father means nna. Or some dialect, they can say papa, or onye nna. Okay. Now, an old man, an old person, a man, an old man. In general, an old person is called agadi. Just to break it down for you. Agadi is somebody who is old. No gender here. No gender, but somebody who is old is called agadi. Now, if you put gender, okay, you say agadi nwoke, an old man. Old man means agadi nwoke, an old man. An old woman is agadi nwanyị. Okay. Now, before I forget, because I want to make sure that we are carrying forward and we are returning. And a way to help you learn this is, if you don't feel comfortable sending it to the forum, send it to me, because it will help me know where I need to work with you. I know we have many students, but I can still help anybody, okay, who really wants to learn. Now, this gender specific with it, please, I would like you to record yourself. Listen to yourself. After going over the lesson, go over the recording and then go over the lesson. I will record this. After this lesson, I will still record how all of them are being pronounced and sent to you. But you need to go over. And that's why I refuse to post a note, because some of you will just go to the note, but you don't know how to pronounce them. So record yourself forward to me. Your assignment will be, before the week is over, you have till Thursday, not Friday. From now till Thursday to record this gender specific, how to pronounce it, and send to me. If you don't want to send to the forum, feel free to send to me, okay? That's fine. I want to help you to learn your pronunciation. So that's gonna be the assignment for the week. Okay, so now we finished that one. So we're gonna go like family. I know we have mentioned it, family and relatives and so on. So we're going to do this here now. Let me maximize it for you. Need somebody. Okay, so we're gonna do like when it comes to, I don't know if we're going to get times today, but that's all right. I just want to help you see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, so let me see. Okay. All right, so when it comes to the people in the family, your relatives, okay, so we have father, nna. My father, nnam. My mother, nnem. Nnem. But now we just say father, nna, mother, nne. But when you want to say my father, nnam, you want to say my mother, nnem. You want to say her or his mother, nneya, nneya. You see that? You're saying somebody's mother. Now you're saying somebody's father, nnaya, nnaya. You want to say their father, nnaha, nnaha. Don't forget your pronouns, okay? Nnaha, nneha. You want to say our mother, our mother. You are included in the group. Nne anyị, nne anyị, nna anyị, our father, okay? Now, son is nwa nwoke, nwa nwoke. My son, nwa nwoke, nwa nwoke. If I want to say your son, nwa gị nwoke, nwa gị nwoke. Okay, if I want to say their son, nwa ha nwoke, nwa ha nwoke. You see that? Their son, their son. If I want to say your son, nwa unu. I'm looking at you people. I'm looking at a group of people more than 1, 2, 3 and above. And I'm looking at you guys and I'm looking at you and say, your children or your sons. Nwa unu, unu, nwa unu, nwoke. You see that? All right. Okay. Now, daughter, nwa nwaanyị. A sister. Sometimes I test my friends, I test Chinyere, Chief Chinyere, and I say, nwanne nwaanyị. It means my sister. Nwanne nwaanyị, my sister. When I say nwanne nwoke, nwanne nwoke, my brother. Okay? That's how you refer to somebody regarded as a sister. And sometimes you say my sister. That's how you regarded that person. It might not be the same blood relation. It does not have to be blood relation. For you to regard somebody as your sister. It could be your cousins. In Igbo land, sometimes I know here, sometimes I tell my kids, okay, your sister is calling. Okay, what did you tell your sister? I refer their cousin as a sister. I refer to them as sister. But sometimes they don't have the understanding to know. They, oh no, she's my cousin. Or he's my cousin, it's not my sister. Then I have to explain. So Igbo people, we do use words like that. And last 2 weeks, I said something about calling somebody auntie, uncles. But there are some who are blood relations that are through uncles and aunts. But then everything does not have to be biologic, okay? Biology or not. Sometimes, depending on how you regard that person, you say, my sister, my brother. Okay, so sometimes we use it. When your parents or you hear somebody saying that, don't say, oh, why is he calling this person my brother or my sister? But no, it depends on how you regarded that person, okay? Now, your uncle, nwanne, okay? Uncle is nwanne nnem. See how I put it here? Nwanne nnem, okay? Nwanne nnem or nwanne nnam nke nwoke. Nwanne nnam nwoke. Now we need to remove nke. Uncle is somebody, your mother's brother or your father's brother. So uncle, either from your mother's side or from your father's side, is one. If it's from your mother's side, it's called nwanne nnem. If the uncle is from your father's side, it's nwanne nnam. You see, that's how you say it. Then your aunt, if the aunt is from your mother's side, is nwanne nnem nwaanyị. Remember, we are talking about gender. Uncle is nwanne nnem or nwanne nnam nwoke. Okay? Aunt is nwanne nnem or nwanne nnam nwaanyị. Okay? You need to know this. So the gender, once you know the difference, you should be able to plug it in. Now, your cousin is onye nna. I put it this way to explain it very well. Your cousin is onye nna ya na nnam bụ nwanne. Your cousin could be your mother, like if your, that is okay. Now, let me explain. Nwanne nna ya, your father, your sister, okay? Now me and my brother or my sister, okay? I know you know the meaning, but I'm telling you how to say it in Igbo. So your cousin from your own brother, your son, your daughter from your brother or from your sister. Two of them are cousins. So this is how you say it in Igbo. Onye nna ya na nnam bụ nwanne, or onye nne ya na nnem bụ nwanne. Okay? So the same mother and father, brothers or sisters, their children. Now, a nephew, the same thing. Okay, you have to plug in the gender if it's a nephew, or if it's a niece, you know a nephew can be referred to nwoke. A niece can be referred to nwaanyị. Nwa nwannem. Your nephew is nwa nnem or nnam nwoke. Niece, nwa nwannem or nnam nwaanyị. Now, a step sister or a step brother is onye nnem na alụ nna ya. So that's how you say it. Or onye nnam na alụ nne ya. Either your mother married your step brother or sister's mother, or your father married your step brother or sister's mother. That's what it is. All right. Now help half brother is sometimes it is in Igbo, it refers as like the sentence, as a step. Okay. Onye ọ bụ sọ nna ji. Only father is what connected two of you. Onye ọ bụ sọ nna ji mụ na ya ma ọ bụghị ofu nne. Not the same mother, but the same father. That's what we regarded as half brother. Okay. Okay. Now, grandma. Your grandma can be referred to nnem ochie or nnem. Some people say nennem. Nem ochie, nennem or nennam. Ne, nnem or ne, nnam. You see that? Nennem, it means the mother of my mother. Nnenam, the mother of my father. Okay? Or in general, grandmother is called Nnem Ochie. Now, grandpa is called Nnam Ochie. If you pay attention, you see how we are using those gender and then how everybody is pronounced. What is a father? What is a mother? What is a man? What is a woman? So now we are plugging them in. Nnem Ochie, Nnam Ochie. Everything goes according to gender. Once you know it, you should be able to put it together. All right. Nnam Ochie or Nnam. Nna. Nnam.
Aha m bụ Ngozi Mmadụabuchi.
Okay, Ngozi Mmadụabuchi.
Can you please scroll up a little? I didn't see the first. I wasn't here and I didn't see the first part.
Okay, I'll do that. All right. So you want me to go down a little bit? Okay. Is that what you want?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Can you see? Okay, good. So this is what we're talking about here. All right. Okay, so a friend is called, friends is ndi enyi, but a friend is called enyi. If you want to say my friend, let me just say friend. A friend is enyi. Okay, so that's how you say enyi. If you want to say my friend is called enyim. My friend is called enyim. All right. Okay, guys, class will be over now. I'll give you a few seconds to ask your question because the class will end in less than a minute. Okay.
And how do you say you all my friend?
You all are my friend. Okay. Unu niile bụ enyi m. You all are my friend. Are my friends. Okay. Unu niile bụ ndị enyi m. See, unu niile bụ ndị enyi m. That's how you say it. So put your questions together. The class is about to end. I will see you guys next week. I see you.